Hello students, in today's class we learned very important topic transmission mode. So transmission mode means transferring of data between two devices. It is also known as communication mode. Buses and networks are designed to allow communication to occur between individual devices that are interconnected. So generally transmission modes are three types. There are three types of transmission mode: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Transmission mode is also known as communication mode. So transmission mode simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So first we learn what is simplex. In general, simplex mode communication is one directional or unidirectional. Sender always send the data and receiver always receive the data. In this mode, communication is generally one way. So in simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional as on a one-way street. Only one of the two devices on a link can transmit and the other can only receive. So as I told you that sender will always send the data or and receiver will always receive the data. This task only in a one way. The simplex mode can use entire capacity of channel to send data in one direction. So example of simplex mode is keyboard and traditional monitors. The keyboard can only introduce input. So keyboard task is only single task, it can only introduce the input. But and and the monitor can only give the output. So monitor cannot take input but monitor always give output. So it is a one way transmission. So this type of communication mode is known as simplex mode. Our second is half duplex mode. So in a half duplex mode, each station can both transmit and receive. So generally in half duplex, sender send the data and receiver receive the data. But this task will done only one at a time. When sender send the data, it cannot receive the data. When receiver receive the data, then that time it cannot send the data. So in half duplex mode, each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. So simultaneously they cannot do their task. When one device is sending, the other can only receive and vice versa. The half duplex mode is used in case where there is no need for communication in both direction at the same time. So if there is no need to communication same time, then in both direction that time we will use half duplex. The entire capacity of the channel can be utilized for the each direction. So example of half duplex is generally is walkie talkie. In walkie talkie, in which message is sent one at a time and message are sent in both directions. So walkie talkie is the best example for half duplex. Generally it is used in a train system where a station where a guard and the train driver can communicate with each other but they cannot communicate simultaneously at the same time. And in police where they can receive or give the signal to their colleagues. So this is a diagram when sender is sending the data, so, and receiver is receiving the data. That time this is a one way, but when sender can give the data to receiver. So our third is full duplex mode. In full duplex mode, both station both station can transmit and receive simultaneously. In full duplex mode, signals going in one direction share the capacity of the link with signal going in other direction. So in a simple way, full duplex communication can be done in both direction at the same time. So sender will send the signal, that time receiver can also send the signal. In full duplex mode, signals going in one direction share the capacity of the link with the signals going in other direction. This sharing can occur in two ways. So first, either the link must contain two physical separate transmission path, one for sending and other for receiving. So to do this, we have two separate path, two physical separate path, one for sending the signal and other for receiving the signal, or the capacity is divided between signals traveling in both direction. So generally capacity can be divided between signals traveling in both directions. So full duplex mode is used when communication in both direction is required all the time. The capacity of channel however must be divided into the both directions. So example of this, telephone network in which there is a communication between two persons by telephone line through which both can talk and listen at the same time. So example of full duplex is our telephone network or mobile network where sender and receiver can talk and listen same time. So this is a diagram of full duplex where a PC to terminal or terminal to PC, they can communicate at the both direction at the same time. So today we learned what is transmission mode. Transmission mode are generally three types: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Simplex is a unidirectional or a one directional. Half duplex is both directional but not at the same time. And full duplex, it is the same time user can send data as well as can receive the data. In simplex example is keyboard or a monitor, half duplex example is walkie talkie, and full duplex example is our telephone network or mobile network.